Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do this is one of the it's kind of like a breakfast kind of lunch meal. So basically it's egg frittatas. I hope I said that right. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how I make my spinach egg frittatas. And yeah, on days when I don't want to eat any carbs, this is what I try to eat or what I eat in a day. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I make it. So anyways, showed you the ingredients: onions, tomatoes, green bell peppers. Basically, I like to load my frittatas with a lot of vegetables. So anyways, I sauteed the onions till they became translucent. Then I poured in the tomatoes, the green peppers, and the scotch bonnet or fresh pepper. So sauteed that for a little bit. Now I am adding some salt to the mix and some curry powder. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be adding this seasoning powder to it. I like this seasoning powder because it has a hint of garlic in it. So if I didn't have this seasoning powder, I would have added garlic to it. So yeah, so I'm just going to saute everything a little bit in the pan, just to make sure all those spices cook through. So yeah, allow that to simmer for a minute. So once that has simmered, I'm just going to throw in my spinach. My spinach, I don't want it to really like fry up. I really want them to be fresh. So I'm just going to add my eggs or my beaten up eggs immediately after I added my spinach. So I'm gonna let that fry for a bit, and yeah, this is my egg frittatas. In the process of trying to flip it, it kind of broke into pieces. So, but anyways, it tasted so good. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.